All right, 5.2b, we're going to continue on. We're on example 5. And remember division of fractions. If we have two fractions that we're dividing, all we do is take the second fraction, turn it upside down. That's your first step. Then you can start canceling, and then you end up with 10 over 8. Or you can cancel this and get 4 and that and get 1 and end up with 5 over 4, which is 10 over 8, just reduced. So we just take our fraction, turn it upside down, take the prime factors of it, and go from there. So let's look at example number, 6. 8x cubed over 5y squared, and we're going to divide that by 4x squared over 10y to the 6th. All right, so basically you just multiply and turn the second one upside down. You invert it. Okay, so remember what I did on the other ones. Once you're in this position, it's just multiplication. So 2 times 2 times 2 over 5 is already prime. 10 is almost prime. And 4. So we cross those two out with those two. That 5 out with that. And we're left with this 2 times this 2 is 4. And then I'm just going to write my variables. We can reduce those here once we get them down here. Now remember division. Division of exponents. You subtract. So it would be 4 to the x. 3 minus 2 is 1. And y to the 6 minus 2 is 4. And there you go. All right, example number 7. All right, so this is example 7. Notice that I just automatically, when I wrote it, changed it to a times and flipped these two over rather than having to rewrite the whole thing twice. So here we go. We look at the top one, and we notice that it is the difference of two squares. Okay, and our next one, we can factor out an x squared, and we're left with an x minus y. And our bottom over here, that will reduce to x minus y times x minus y. Because actually it's x minus y, the quantity squared, but we have to separate them like that so we can cancel. And the next one is that whole sum of two cubes. So that's going to be x plus y, first term plus the second term, and then the first term squared minus the first term times the second term plus the second term squared. Okay, so let's see what we can cancel here. That and that and that and that. What else? Oh, this and this. So we're left with x squared over this right there. And we're done. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here and go ahead and do the next 4 on another video just because I'm running out of battery power.